channel. I'm V, Simply V at Home. This is my first haul video and I'm new to YouTube, but I want to say thank you to everyone that supported me so far. I appreciate the subs that are subscribed to my channel, and I just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. This haul is going to feature Burlington, IKEA, and Dollar Tree items, mostly home decor and DIY items. Let's just jump right in. Let me show you what I purchased. The first thing I got is this silver decorative bowl from Burlington. I really like the style of it. It's got this silver glitter and this silver lines going through it. It's really pretty. Definitely goes with the color scheme of my home. Don't like a lot of color. My decor is mostly black, white, and gray. I might throw a pop of color in there every now and then, but very seldom. This bowl was $9.99. I also picked up the matching vase. Oh, it's so pretty. I really like this a lot. Probably will stick some flowers in here or something. This one was $14.99 at Burlington. Also at Burlington, I kind of went pillow crazy when I was shopping. I picked up these two pillows here, BB 20 by 20. They're white and then they have these silver lines in them. I thought they were very pretty. They were $17.99. They're very soft and plush. Definitely going to throw these on the couch. But again, two of these. And then I got these, also BB, same size, 20 by 20. These, I don't know if they look a little Christmassy. They have this like silver splatter on them, white. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I'll try it and see what it looks like. Again, they're very soft though and plush, and these were also $17.99 for two. Let's see. Then these, I love these pillows. They are so soft and plush, and they're just really pretty. Definitely my style. These are 18 by 18. And it was two of these, and you get two for it was $14.99. So I didn't stop there. I picked up the cousins to those pillows. These pillows are the same exact pillow, but they're 18 by 24, so they're long. I'm not sure if you can see them in the camera, but they're kind of rectangular shape. And you get two of these for $14.99 as well. Definitely gonna try them out and see how they look on the couch. Also from Burlington, I got this metal art. Now, the color doesn't really go with my decor, but I definitely planned on doing a DIY with these or painting them when I purchased them. I'm not going to hang them up like they are, but because of the style and shape of these, it's definitely something you can do a DIY with or just paint them. I might paint them white or something, I don't know yet, but I got two of these and they were $12.99 a piece. Next from Burlington, I got this little brown decorative object. Definitely going to change the color of it. I've learned that, you know, it doesn't matter sometimes what the color is. If you like the shape of it or the style, as long as there's spray paint, you can change anything. And I definitely plan on spray painting this. It's probably going to either be black, white, or silver. Most likely it's going to be white, but I really like the style of it. And this was $12.99 at Burlington. And then I picked up the vase as well. I like the vase. I like the shape of it. Gonna spray paint this as well. This was $7.99 at Burlington. I'll be sure to share those projects with you once they're complete. Let's see. I believe that's everything that I got from Burlington. The next store I went to was Dollar Tree. And they had these white candles. I love candles. They don't have to have a scent. As long as they're burning, I love the ambiance. So I always have a candle burning. I got 5 of these for $1. And then I got these little mini wavy bowls. I bought a whole bunch of these, definitely for a DIY. I have a project that's similar using wavy bowls. I actually will link it below, but I made this faux mirror art out of Dollar Tree bowls, and it's really pretty. I might do something similar, I'm not sure. I was kind of messing around with these last night, and I have several ideas of how I can use these. Definitely will share that video with you once it's complete. Now, I also got these tower block wood pieces. I have been looking for these forever. There are so many things you can do with these blocks. I think I bought 20 packs of these just because they're so hard to find, and I definitely have a lot of ideas and a lot of plans to use these for DIYs. Definitely will share these with you, but these were $1 at Dollar Tree. Also, I got some more of these wall art stickers. These are very good quality for $1. I already have a project that I'll link below that I created using these. I actually have 2. And I'll link both of those below if you're interested. But these are very good items for DIYs or whatever you want to do. And they're only $1 and they really stick very well. So I like these. I picked these up because they were different than the ones that I had before. So the inspirational quotes are different. I really like these. So anytime I see these, I'm going to grab some. I think that's it actually for Dollar Tree. So I went to IKEA and I picked up more candles. They had these small candles and these large candles. They're unscented, but they were inexpensive. These are $2 and these are $3, and they're supposed to last for hours. So I definitely got a few of these, and I got a few of these just so I'll have them. I picked up this stool. It was $4.99. I already had this one in black, but I really like to have extra seating whenever possible, whenever it's needed. So I grabbed this one, and it was only $4.99. Also, these lanterns, these are so popular. I saw these and I was really in awe. They had them in black, white, and gray. I bought the gray ones. I bought 2 of them and they were $7.99. I actually am working on a project where I'm making my own. Definitely going to share that with you. But I had to have these. I thought they were very cute. Maybe for stick some flowers in there or a candle or something. And these came from IKEA. I also bought these candle holders. These were $9.99 at IKEA. Let me open them up so you can see what they look like. I'm gonna use these for my dining room table, put them out. But these are so pretty. And they have this inside, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the inside part is silver. And then it's crystal. And you get 2 of these for $9.99. I really like these a lot. So I'll be sure to share my tablescape once it's complete for Valentine's Day or something like that. Ooh, I almost dropped it. Let's see what else. I picked up these 3 metal little tins. They were 99 cents at IKEA. Definitely a DIY. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but definitely will have them. Also, these battery operated lights, string lights, they were on clearance at IKEA for $1. I bought, I think, either 10 or 15 packs. You can use them for so many things. I have this piece of metal wall art behind me. I'm going to go ahead and put these behind that art and see how it illuminates it. I think it'll be real pretty, but I'll be sure to share that with you. It'll be a quick video just to see what, you know, have options for these lights. And then we have this metal piece. I don't know what you call it, but it comes with these little bowls, and these little bowls here hook on like this. And I definitely wanted, will probably put these in my granddaughter's room, put some crayons in them, markers or something, hang them on the wall for access. And speaking of my granddaughters, I want to send a shout out to my 9-year-old granddaughter, Taneia. Oh, you're not 9? Oh, she says she's 10. Like I didn't know that. But she's my producer, and she's helping me with this video. And I want to say thank you, baby. I love you, my Luca. You're so sweet. But she's helping me out, so everybody give a shout out to Taneia. So that's that. And then we have this blanket. This was $2. I bought 3 of these. Nice just to have extra blankets. You're sitting around watching a movie. $2 a piece at IKEA. That's that. And then we got these decorative balls. I like these balls a lot. They're gray and black. Just real simple, but I love the colors. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a DIY with these or if I'm just going to put them out for decorations. But they were $4.99. I got 2 of these. And I think that's it. Now I'm not sure if this is a long haul video or a short haul video, as it's my first haul video, so I'm not sure. But I wanted to say thank you again to everyone that's supporting me. I look forward to bringing you great videos, great DIYs, and home decor inspiration. Again, thank you so much for your support. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also share. Also, you know, let me know down below in the comments what you like to see as far as DIYs and home decor videos. I would love to, you know, hear your suggestions and your comments. But again, thank you for your support, and we will definitely see you in the next video.